Katrina, after Ek Tha Tiger, you are again working in a movie which is action-packed movie. So,
आप हैं कहाँ?
how comfortable it? Yeah.
He's on the extreme left.
Yeah, left. Yeah. So after Ek Tha Tiger, you are again working in a action-packed movie. So, how comfortable is for you to just work in action-packed movies rather than like other actresses of your time? Like.
So I asked this question, she asked this question, and the same. So we've got this. This one she answered, buddy. Thanks, yeah.
I've always watched some Hindi films, and you know, I certainly saw Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and I thought it was an amazing movie. I don't watch every film. I think I watch the big ones. I think I watched it because
For me.
Well, I mean, it's the same team. Honestly, I mean, Salman called and said, "Come and see this movie," and you know, I messaged him back saying, "I'm coming because I love him very much and I want to see the film." Also, it's the same team, and also it's Kareena, so a mix of everything.
कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Here, कटरीना. कटरीना आपने देखी बजरंगी भाईजान? Center, here. Did you watch the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Did you see?
Yes, I think she got the question.
No. I was trying to look for you. I have to see who I'm talking to. No, I didn't see it yet, but I'm definitely going to see it between today and tomorrow.
Probably the only person who hasn't seen it in the country.
Saif is saying I'm the only person in the country who has not seen it yet. But I saw lots of bits and portions during the making of it. Kabir would show me every now and then some song he'd shot or something. And then he'd show me the little girl in the movie and say that she looks like you. So I saw lots of bits and pieces along the way, but the whole movie I'll see probably tomorrow.
हाँ, I think अगर कोई story exciting लगी तो ज़रूर करूँगा, लेकिन हमेशा मेरी फिल्म में एक backdrop real रहेगा. वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान रहे या न्यूयॉर्क की तरह terrorism रहे. वो हो सकता है कुछ और भी हो सकता है. अगर हमारी जो दुनिया है थोड़ी और खूबसूरत हो जाए तो आई थिंक थोड़े और जेंटल बैकड्रॉप्स भी आ जाएंगे. लेकिन हाँ, हमेशा कोशिश ये रहेगी कि एक रियल कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहे, सोशल या पॉलिटिकल.
Sir, but are you a very violent man in real life?
No,
the only time I've seen Kabir get violent was in road rage. When the driver cut us, that's the only time. Otherwise,
So
he's
this
a very
is not a
peace-loving.
mask.
No,
This is
he's
not
a
a
very peace-loving person. His expression is like this all the time. I've worked with him now in 3 films. It's always like that, except once. I saw him change his expression once. That's a secret story.
This gentleman right next to you also is the wittiest, funniest, and he take your pants off without you knowing it.
I hope not.
With jokes, with his wit. Let's put it this way. So yeah, and he's done those brilliant kind of films. So when you chat with him, and when you work with him, what's Saif Ali Khan really like? Is he like that all the time?
He's very, like you described him, he's a perfect gentleman. He's very smart. He's got lots of information. He actually also is a very good listener, which is also why I think we got along. I found another person to listen. And he has very interesting information on things outside of just the film industry and just our film. So he's a great person to talk to, and he's very interested in his work. So a lot of times, actually, we were just discussing what we saw the film about and what our take on the film.
And how is she on the set? How does she discuss a lot of things? Does she want to know about what's happening in the gossip world, or films, books?
No, I saw her taking photographs of Beirut on her iPhone and showing, doing all kinds of creative things in between shots with Photoshop and things like this. I've known Katrina for a while, and I've watched her from being, a relatively new actor in Race to becoming one of the biggest stars in the country and working really hard and being an amazing personality on screen. So it's always nice to spend time with her. I think a lot of actors I've worked with, are a little concerned about the film that they're doing, and they're a little worried about that. And that's, I suppose, normal. But she's a relaxed girl and someone who I've really enjoyed talking to and spending time with and working with. And I think we had an easy equation, which is
Saif, Katrina, yo, Katrina.
Saif, एक question आपसे है.
Country.
Straight down, that lady right there, behind the photographer.
Yeah. You had been on the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan during the shoot of Aaj Ki Party. So was there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Kabir will explain to you the reason.
कबीर सर आपके सामने
One second, she has. This question has to be answered.
She would like to know why I was on the sets of Aaj Ki
She
Party.
should come to meet me. We had to discuss, in fact, things about Phantom. So since I was shooting there and I was busy there, we met in Yashraj and was speaking about Phantom.
सैफ पीछे सैफ आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है आपकी एजेंट विनोद को पाकिस्तान में बैन कर दिया गया था एक बार फिर आप एंटी पाकिस्तान बात कर रहे हैं आपके बहुत सारे रिलेटिव पाकिस्तान में हैं तो
एक मिनट मेरे क्वेश्चन में मैं समझता था क्यों बोला आपने एंटी पाकिस्तान
आप पाकिस्तान एंटी इन द सेंस कि आप टेररिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं
तो आप समझती हैं टेररिज्म रिप्रेजेंट्स पाकिस्तान
नो पाकिस्तान की हमने बात की है कि इसमें जितने भी टेररिस्ट दिखा वो पाकिस्तानी चाहे हाफिज सईद को हम
नहीं तो मैं आपसे वही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ तो आपके जहन में टेररिस्ट इज इक्वल टू पाकिस्तान या पाकिस्तान में और भी बाशिंदे रहते हैं
नहीं मेरा कहने का मतलब
आप हैं कहाँ आप थोड़ा
इधर की तरफ बैक साइड
जी
इसमें पाकिस्तान की ही बात हुई है तो सैफ हमेशा पाकिस्तान पे फिल्में कर रहे हैं तो इनके रिलेटिव्स का क्या रिएक्शन होता है मैं ये जानना चाह रही हूँ
No, I'm telling you, any of my relatives, I spoke to actually one relative recently and he said that he doesn't like films that are bashing Pakistan, you know. And I don't think any of us like films that are bashing Pakistan. So we are not trying to do that. This film is, as the trailer says,
this film is about this mindset. Unfortunately, we have a mindset that all the terrorists and the certain sections of the establishment of Pakistan who are definitely doing things which are anti-India, they represent Pakistan. They don't represent Pakistan. That's the whole point of this film. That's the whole point of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I am the director of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I am the director of Phantom. Both these films come from the same ideology, which is that there should be people-to-people friendship. People-to-people friendship can never happen as long as these elements exist in either countries. As long as these extremist elements exist, there can never be people-to-people friendship. And these elements have to be eliminated for the countries to get along peacefully. Who are the terrorist elements in India? I didn't say that. Did I say that? I didn't say terrorist elements. See, that's the problem. Your mindset is too strong. I said extremist elements. Sorry? Name who? But I didn't even say that.
Sir, just a minute. I think there was a miscommunication there. No.
And I said extremist elements.
1 second. I think
First.
Just a minute, sir.
First, 1 sec. Listen. First, do not talk to me like that. I do not appreciate it. Okay? Come over here. Let me see your face and have a normal conversation. Do not get into this.
Sir, I think let's not take few words from lines. I think let's just a minute, sir.
Why are you screaming like that?
Just a minute.
Why are you screaming like that?
1 second. Sir, can you please name yourself?
Calm down.
Right.
Pani pijiye kuch.
So, 1 second. I'd like to just defend you on one part. 1 second, sir. I don't know what your idea is on this. Just a minute. Calm down. Please calm down. The censor board chief of Pakistan said that this is the one film that has actually helped between two relations. So if they don't have a problem, I don't seem to understand why you seem to have a problem.
Hello. He said extremist. Rajiv ji.
Yes.
Rajiv ji, then
Are you trying to say that no extremist elements?
You can discuss this afterwards, I think.
One second.
Let's finish the PC.
Yeah.
If you make this discourse a little more civil, then I'm ready to talk to you. If you're going to be screaming and shouting and frothing at the mouth, I'm this discussion. Please,
on a lighter note, can I ask Saif?
Whose Wikipedia page? Why are you saying that I have not created any Wikipedia page? Do you know how Wikipedia works? Anybody can post an article on Wikipedia. How do
Anybody
I know?
can edit an article on Wikipedia, sir.
How do I know? I have not posted anything on Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, I have one more film which the name I don't even remember.
You know what, sir, we'll take this a little later. Let's move on to another question right now. Let's
Rajiv,
take this on a private
can
note
we
later, sir.
finish?
Yeah.
I have a very nice question.
Yeah,
Rajiv,
we'll actually
please.
take one last question, which would be slightly happier.
Saif, on a lighter note,
Yeah.
since Katrina was discussing profession, films and all with you, was she not discussing personal things? If yes, then what?
Yes, she was, but I'm not going to tell you.
Hi, I have a question for Saif.
Yes.
Right here. Saif, of course, 2014 was not a great year for you as far as the ticket window is concerned. Of course, you come back with action. Was it like a conscious decision to, or this was just a coincidence that you chose to be a part of this film? And you know, your film being an action film in 2015.
I mean, obviously the film we were working on about a year and a half ago. I mean, so it's very difficult to predict where you're going to be at that time. I think the idea is just to, if you're lucky to work with good people, one always looks to do the best that one can. So I don't fully understand your question, actually. What do you mean?
I was
like,
saying,
was it a conscious decision to work in the movie?
Right, considering
yes, I
it
was
was not
awake when I
great.
signed it.
Hello.
All right, we're gonna just actually wrap it up here and
Katrina,
take a few
hi.
photographs. No, we're just gonna wrap it up. I think we
Hi,
had quite a few
Katrina.
questions rather
Yeah.
than going on a zone. It's a film press conference, guys. I don't know why people come with personal agendas. Let's just have a nice photo op. It'll be nice if we could just have that. Yeah.
Katrina. Hi,
Yeah.
Katrina.
Okay, one last. Yeah.
Katrina, you know, we know that you don't like to talk about your personal life, but you know, there are rumors arrive that you got engaged with Ranbir. So how true is that?
I'm glad you asked that because I'm definitely not engaged, and I know you guys are so sweet, and you seem to want me to get married, but there's no such plans now. So please bear with me being not married for some more time.
Katrina,
Wonderful,
that
that's a
note, Katrina, you know, in an
perfect
interview also
note.
said that she gets along really well with you, and she really praised you and said you're a really great human being, and also you make a great couple with Ranbir, and she thinks you are good for him. Any comments on that?
My brain's not working. On the topic of Karina, she's really, she's one of, not few, I mean, I get along with most people, but she's one of the people who I do have a very special connection with. I think she's beautiful, she's talented, but she's also very easygoing, and she's very straight up, she's very honest, she says what she feels, and she's a wonderful person, and I wish I get to see her more often. We were supposed to come to your house. What happened?
Yeah, you must. And I think Katrina's one of the most lovely girls I've worked with.
Everyone's
and everybody
lovely.
would be
We're all
lucky
happy.
to have her as a, girlfriend, fiance, or in the future, something more.
And we're not taking the bait anymore.
Katrina,
We'll just
can you
come
make a
for some
comment on that
photographs.
part, please?
All right, guys, we'll switch on that,
No?
please. Yeah, let's have some photographs. That would be nice if we could just leave the mics on the chair.